Hi, I'm Dr. Rahul Bagrecha, MDS Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. What are the instruction post wisdom tooth surgery? So, after your wisdom tooth surgery, your maxillofacial surgeon must have given you a gauze pack to keep and bite and press onto that. Keep that pack for 1 hour, keep it pressed. Don't talk, don't spit out, swallow whatever comes in your mouth. There will be lot of saliva and small amount of blood which will be coming in your mouth. Keep swallowing that. Don't spit out. Don't speak. As soon as you reach home, apply ice from outside. Apply ice till you can bear it and remove it. Keep repeating this for 3 to 4 hours. After 1 hour, remove your pack, the gauze pack, after washing your hand properly, cleaning your hand, sanitizing your hand, remove your pack. It will be red in color, drenched maybe in blood and saliva. Don't worry, throw that out. Don't put anything else in that area. Take a sip of water, swallow that. Take ice cream and take the medication which is being told to you by your surgeon. After 1.5 hours, you can have your food which is soft and room temperature. Soft as in which you can swallow, which is soft in consistency like porridges or very thick shakes or thick soups. You can have milkshakes, you can have juices, but don't use straw. Whole that day, you should not be speaking or speaking as less as possible. Should not be eating hard food, should not be eating hot food. The instruction remains for 24 hours. The food instructions are for 24 hours. Next day morning, you will have slight swelling. You'll have little difficulty in opening the mouth, little discomfort into the area. Don't worry. Swelling and discomfort depends upon the difficulty level and the infection you had before the surgery. Second day also, don't speak a lot, don't do lot of movements, food instructions remain same. Next day morning, don't do brushing into the surgical area. If your mouth is not opening properly, just teeth cleaning with finger is sufficient. Don't do very heavy swishing. Just roll your roll of water into your mouth and spit it out. Third day morning, you will have even more swelling and you will have even more restriction in mouth opening. Now, what you have to do is you have to eat normally now, speak as much as possible, and stretch your jaw. You have to keep your thumb onto upper jaw, put two fingers in lower jaw, and stretch your jaw. Stretching is like any other physiotherapy post injury to your muscle, which gets stiff. Then you have to stretch and make it loosen up, make it normal. The movements become in full range. So, which muscle we are doing physiotherapy is the muscle which is just beside your wisdom tooth, which is the masseter muscle, which helps in opening and closing your jaw. This muscle is irritated because of the surgery happened in that area. Stretching will increase the blood supply into that area and remove all the inflammatory byproducts, and it will improve the mouth opening, and it will remove the restriction you have. You should do this exercise at least 100 times on third day. Make uh, uh, 10 sets of 10 repetitions. This doesn't require any specific time dedication. You can do it whenever you're working or just sitting idle. On third day, you can do brushing on the same side except way back into the surgical area. Avoid the trauma. You can have a normal food, but still avoid very hard food, a very granular food, which will go and get stuck into that area. After eating, take warm water, put salt into that, do swishing, and just drop it slowly. Don't do vigorous swishing yet. Swelling will increase on second day compared to first day. So 48 hours swelling will increase and it will start reducing after that. As I told you, amount of swelling and amount of discomfort depends upon the difficulty level and the infection. Don't worry about the swelling. Sometime onto the face, swelling is unproportional because there's a lot of blood supply into this head neck face area. The swelling will reduce after 4 to 5 days. But if you do a stretching exercise, you eat normally and you start talking normally and you do a lot of movements of the jaw now on third day, the discomfort will be minimum with little swelling. You have to go to your dentist or maxillofacial surgeon after a week if the the sutures which has been placed are not dissolvable. If they are dissolvable, you can just maintain hygiene and go for a follow up. If there is a problem, do call your maxillofacial surgeon or your dentist. The problems could be a very big swelling which is increasing in size even after third, fourth day, very severe pain. There is slight fever which is common on the day of surgery, but the fever is increasing and continuous for 4 5 days. Do visit your maxillofacial surgeon and call them. Do follow all the instructions. Maxillofacial surgeon will take care of them. Wisdom tooth surgery is not a very difficult surgery. It is a very simple surgery. Just you have to follow the instructions so recovery also become very easy and very comfortable. Thank you very much.